Hi friends, today I'll be showing you all how to download and install JDK on your machine. So firstly go to your web browser and search Java downloads. It will show you search result like this. So click on the link from oracle.com. It will show you a page like this. So in this particular case I am installing it for my Windows system, so I'll be selecting the Windows option, and here you have to locate the executable binary and you will be clicking over there. Then automatically it will get downloaded. Since it's a big file, so it will take time based on your internet connection. And yeah, in the meantime, if you like this video, then please do consider to subscribe my YouTube channel. Since the JDK executable file is downloaded, so I'm going to open it. It will ask your permission, so you just have to click on yes. So it will show you a window like this, where it will say like welcome to installation wizard for Java SE development kit. In my particular case it is the 19.0.1 version. In your case it may be different, so click on next. Give the location where you want to install the JDK. In my case I am leaving it as default and clicking on next. So it will prepare and start to install JDK to my system. Yeah, now we have the message that Java SE kit has been successfully installed. Since we have successfully installed the JDK to our system, but we haven't set the environment variable path, so we are going to set it now. For that, go to your taskbar and search the environment into it. So you will see an option like this, like double click on that. It will show you a window like this. Here click on environment variables. So here we have to set the path for our Java uh, JDK. So how will you get the path for Java JDK? For that, go to your file manager, then go to the C drive. In program files you will see a folder with name Java. Open that. Here is a JDK folder. Go inside that folder. You will see a bunch of options. Here a double click on bin. So basically this is the path which we have to set into our environment variable in order to set the Java JDK as your compiler. So copy this path and go to the window, and here in the system variables scroll down a bit. You will see a path variable and its value. So click on that, then click on edit button. Here as you can see, I have already installed the JDK into my system, so I have this path. In your case, this path will not be there, so what you have to do is just click on new, and here you just have to paste the new Java path for the binary, and then you have to click on OK. Since I have already the path, so I'm not going to do that. Now we have to set the Java home path. So for that you have to create a new variable named Java home. So for that, click on new. In my case, I have already set up the JDK into my system, so I have the Java home variable here. But in your case, what you have to do is just click on new. In the variable name, you have to type Java home. Then you have to paste the link, but remember, we have to paste the link up till JDK 19. Like, we have to exclude the bin folder, and then you have to click OK. So basically then you will see a variable like this. Then you have to click OK, and yes, now you are all set, and you have set in the bin path as well as the Java home path to your machine. In order to check that, go to the search bar and type cmd. Open the command prompt. Here you have to type java space hyphen version. So yeah, now it will show you which Java version is installed in your machine. Also you can query javac hyphen version. It will show you which Java compiler version you have. Now friends, you have installed the JDK to your machine. Also you have set the environment variable path, and you can directly go ahead and write your first Java program. Thank you for watching.